Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact launcher package and Android build-so commands match. Once identified, back up your phone and enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so your PC can communicate. Make sure the battery is above 50% and USB drivers are installed on the computer. Connect the phone and accept the RSA prompt. These steps let you run ADB commands safely. Begin now to list installed packages and find the launcher package name you'll remove. You'll now use ADB to locate and remove the launcher. First run a DB devices to confirm the connection, then list packages to pinpoint the launcher package name. Once found, disable it with PM disable user to stop background processes. This prevents crashes during removal. After disabling, uninstall for the current user using PM uninstall kuser 0 followed by the package name. This method removes the launcher without factory reset. If you need to restore, you can re-enable or once uninstalled, reboot the phone and ensure a new default home is set or install a trusted launcher from Play Store. Make sure the system didn't revert the change. If it did, repeat the PM uninstall step with the exact package name. If you receive permission or failure errors, confirm ADB is authorized, USB debugging remains enabled, and the device isn't protected by OEM lockdown or device admin. As a final troubleshooting tip, backup data and consider recovery mode or factory reset only when other options fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.